Today we will learn how a PLC is used to control an electric pump in real industrial systems. A PLC reads inputs, processes logic, and controls outputs in an automated system. When the start button is pressed, a signal is sent directly to the PLC input. The stop button is used to immediately stop the system when required. The PLC receives input signals from buttons and sensors. Inside the PLC, the programmed logic carefully processes all incoming input signals and prepares the correct output response. After processing the logic, the PLC sends an output signal to the contactor to control the motor system. The contactor receives the electrical signal from the PLC and switches on to supply power to the motor. When the contactor energizes, the motor starts rotating and begins driving the connected pump system smoothly. The pump now starts operating, pushing water through the pipeline system in a controlled industrial process. The operator continuously monitors the PLC panel and system performance to ensure safe and stable operation. The entire system runs smoothly under PLC control, maintaining consistent and reliable pump operation. When the stop button is pressed, the PLC immediately receives the command and begins shutting down the system. The PLC turns off the output signal, causing the motor to gradually slow down and come to a complete stop. If any fault or overload occurs, the safety system instantly activates and shuts down the motor to protect equipment. PLC automation is the foundation of modern industry, and learning it opens the door to powerful engineering careers.